Get ready for the future because Xbox Mode is officially here, transforming your PC into a console experience. We are diving deep into how Xbox Mode is shaking up PC gaming, and we're talking about the massive shift Microsoft is making with this new feature. This launch is a huge step towards a unified gaming ecosystem, and you need to know exactly what this means for your setup right now. Keyboard update. Microsoft is finally allowing you to remap that Copilot key on your Windows 11 PC, giving you more control over your shortcuts. Don't miss out on this essential change, so stick with us for the full breakdown. Microsoft has officially launched Xbox Mode for Windows 11, marking a significant strategic shift aimed at optimizing the Windows experience for gaming and testing the waters for Project Helix, a future console capable of running both console and PC titles. This feature, exclusive to Asus Xbox ROG Ally handhelds during its alpha and beta phases, positions itself as a streamlined alternative to Steam's big picture mode for existing Xbox ecosystem users, consolidating Game Pass, cloud gaming, and Xbox Play Anywhere titles into a single, controller-optimized interface. However, the report highlights that Xbox Mode does not eliminate the inherent issues of Windows 11. Critics note that the operating system remains burdened by bloatware, unnecessary system processes, and the Copilot integration. While the retirement of gaming Copilot is positive, Xbox Mode fails to hide the underlying telemetry and bloated nature of Windows 11, forcing users to still employ third-party debloat tools to achieve peak performance, which contradicts the promise of a frictionless gaming experience. Key improvements introduced include a gamepad cursor, a feature that translates thumbstick movements into precise mouse cursor control, significantly easing navigation for controller-only users. Furthermore, Xbox Mode optimizes hardware resources, with reports from MSI indicating a reduction in RAM usage and a potential boost in frame rates. Automatic Super Resolution, AUT-SR, a new AI-driven tool introduced in the preview, upscales graphics in real time using the device's NPU, offering a path for handhelds to achieve sharper visuals. Despite these advancements, teething issues persist, including occasional UI glitches and navigation lag between Xbox Mode and standard Windows 11 menus, and limitations regarding modding support. The feature also remains somewhat restrictive for tinkerers who rely on third-party mod managers. While the integration of third-party game libraries alongside Game Pass is a major convenience, users still require certain storefronts to download and update games. The development of Xbox Mode is a direct response to the cluttered nature of PC gaming interfaces and signals Microsoft's intention to prioritize player experience by stripping away unnecessary AI and bloatware. This initiative is a crucial step toward unifying console and PC gaming under a single ecosystem, paving the way for Project Helix, Xbox's next-generation console. The overall trajectory suggests a move toward a leaner operating system focused squarely on gaming performance. Windows 11 users are finding that advanced AI features, such as recall and click-to-do, are unavailable on many machines, leading to confusion about whether their hardware is faulty. The core issue stems from Microsoft's quiet segmentation of Windows 11 into tiers, primarily gated by the Copilot Plus PC hardware requirement. The Copilot Plus designation is not a different operating system, but a hardware specification. To qualify, a device must meet strict criteria set by Microsoft, most critically possessing a neural processing unit, or NPU, capable of at least 40 TOPS, trillion operations per second of AI computation. The NPU is a dedicated chip designed to efficiently handle machine learning tasks locally, offering speed and low power consumption compared to using a GPU or cloud services. Most current Windows 11 PCs, even high-end gaming rigs with powerful GPUs like the RTX 5090, are missing these features because they lack the requisite NPU. This is common for hardware built before late 2024, including many Intel Core Ultra and AMD Ryzen chips that fall below the 40 TOPS threshold. Microsoft maintains an explicit allow list of qualifying chip families, currently including Snapdragon X, Intel Core Ultra 200V, Lunar Lake, and Ryzen AI 300. Beyond hardware, users must also ensure their Windows 11 version is 24H2 or later, as features are staggered and dependent on software updates. Furthermore, some features are region-dependent, such as multilingual live captions. The benefits of on-device AI, powered by the NPU, are significant: reduced latency, offline functionality, and enhanced privacy as data processing stays on the device. Features like Click-to-Do offer practical AI actions, while live captions translation proves genuinely useful for multilingual communication. Recall, which captures encrypted screenshots, remains divisive due to privacy concerns. While registry tweaks and third-party tools exist to force-enable some features, they are unstable and not recommended for daily use. Ultimately, the gap in features is not necessarily a bug, but a deliberate product strategy focusing on local inference for performance and privacy. For users, the recommendation is nuanced. Office users see strong value in click-to-do and live captions. Content creators benefit from background NPU tasks. Gamers may not see immediate benefit unless they specifically target handheld ARM Copilot Plus machines. The broader consensus is that users can wait, as new chip generations are pushing performance past 60 TOPS. For now, users with working Windows 11 PCs are not behind, simply residing on an older tier of Microsoft's evolving AI roadmap. A fascinating technological experiment is underway, demonstrating that the Nintendo 64 console can run Windows CE. This development has sparked excitement within retro gaming and operating system enthusiasts. The breakthrough was highlighted by a video from Throaty Mumbo, who successfully got Windows CE running on the N64, allowing users to play classic titles such as Ocarina of Time, Super Mario 64, and Star Fox 64. The core of this achievement lies in the underlying hardware compatibility. Throaty discovered that the CPU in the device used for the test, an IVM Workpad Z50, is essentially the same as the N64's CPU, identifying it as a MIPS 4000 family processor. This connection is further cemented by the shared MIPS architecture, which is also present in the N64, a detail noted by the reference to MIPS the Rabbit in Super Mario 64. The technical feasibility is underscored by the low resource requirements. Windows CE, a lightweight operating system, requires minimal resources, needing only 1 MB of RAM, a specification that aligns perfectly with what the N64 possesses. This suggests a potential, albeit unconventional, way to experience Windows in the future. Throttle has meticulously documented the entire process on his YouTube channel, providing step-by-step instructions. He demonstrated not only running the core operating system, but also successfully loading and executing applications from an SD card within the Windows CE graphical user interface, utilizing a device called the EverDrive. Further details and instructions for replication are available on GitHub. The project is viewed as an impressive feat of technological transposition, similar to past projects involving retro software and new hardware. While this specific implementation may not be the optimal path for future Windows experiences, the ability to run N64 games through a Windows environment is a compelling and poetic reversal of the common trend, showcasing the versatility of older technology. Microsoft is set to introduce a significant update for Windows 11 users, allowing them to remap the dedicated Copilot keyboard key on compatible PCs. This feature will enable users to assign the key to either the right control key or the context menu key. The Copilot keyboard key began appearing on new devices in 2024, intended to provide quick access to the Microsoft Copilot chatbot. However, Microsoft has acknowledged that the feature was not widely requested by users. In a support page explanation, Microsoft noted that hardware manufacturers released new devices replacing the right control or context menu key with a Copilot key. This change caused workflow challenges for customers who depended on those original keys for keyboard shortcuts or assistive technologies like screen readers. An upcoming Windows 11 update will implement the remapping settings. Users will be able to adjust this functionality within settings, specifically under Bluetooth and device's keyboard. Microsoft has issued a caution regarding the remapping process, advising users that assigning the Copilot key to the right control might cause inconsistencies with certain key combinations involving the physical left shift key and the right control key. The company recommended using the physical right shift key for those specific shortcuts if issues arise. This move signals a shift in Microsoft's strategy regarding its AI integration on Windows 11. 2 years ago, Microsoft anticipated 2024 as the peak year for the AI PC era, expecting widespread daily use of the Copilot assistant. The current development trajectory indicates a pivot towards streamlining the experience by removing unnecessary Copilot entry points across Windows 11, a process already underway with AI features in applications like Snipping Tool, Photos, Widgets, and Notepad beginning to phase out their Copilot branding.